Now we're gonna be unboxing the iPhone 11 Pro. Alright, so let's just take this out. Beside me, I left the iPhone 11 so you guys can see the differences just in this unboxing. So let's take it out of the box. We should get exactly all the same stuff that we get in an iPhone 11 or any other iPhone for that matter. So I'm gonna set the iPhone on the side for now. We're gonna take a look at what's inside the box. Like I mentioned before, the setup video plus the manual plus the review will show you exactly how the phone works and everything inside of it. Right now we're just doing an unboxing so you guys can see exactly what comes in here. And like I always say, you guys should be looking for this inside here. That's take out the SIM card and putting a SIM card into your phone. So that's pretty important. Headphones, pretty standard. There you go, that's the connection. Some iPhones, yeah, they don't have the regular audio input. Now the charger for this guy looks different, that's for sure. The 11 Pro feels heavier too. It's kind of weird, huh? And it is a different shape. If you can see from the iPhone 11, let me just show you right here. The charger was the normal one, so it's the regular charger for an iPhone 11. Now 11 Pro, significantly bigger, and the weight, it's like 3 times the weight of the iPhone 11 charger, which is interesting. So let's take a look at this. The connection, I can see that's different too. So right here we can see this USB-C, which is way different. Maybe that's why the charger is different as well. USB-C is good, but again, they only made that for this, and this part would go plugged into your phone. So that's what you get with an iPhone 11 Pro, which is different. It's definitely different because with an iPhone 11, let me just open this up again, versus a Pro, the connections are regular USB. See this right here? This is regular USB. We've had this with iPhones forever. Regular USB. USB-C, on the other hand, I can see why they're moving to USB-C because all MacBooks are moving to USB-C. But for those of you who don't have a USB-C port on your computer, you will not be able to just plug it in. You're gonna need an adapter for that. So that's what kind of sucks about USB-C. But just looking at USB-C, it is the future. It's the best thing ever, actually, USB-C. But not everybody's up to date right now. Not all Macs, not all computers are up to date with USB-C. So right now, let me just close this up, put it on the side. If we take a look at this dude, that's all you guys get in the box with your iPhone 11 Pro versus an iPhone 11, which is very similar. We just noticed the differences right now. Anyways, if we take a look at the phone itself, you will notice 3. That's right. You have 3 lenses right now versus 2 on the iPhone 11. So those are differences that you're gonna see right away. Now, if we look at the side, same thing. We have our SIM card tray right here. Not SD. None of the iPhones have SD. Remember that. Here's our power button. On the top, there's nothing. Power buttons used to be on the top. Right now here, this is just to mute right there. So it's gonna vibrate instead of sounding. So you guys can always turn that on and off. And then we just have for volume. So those are the buttons. I do appreciate that there's less buttons. I actually don't like buttons. That's usually the first thing I used to break with iPhones. But now, since we're getting less and less buttons, there's less things that break with an iPhone. So I like that. So I like less moving parts into an iPhone. So right down here, that's where you guys would charge it. Speakers, yeah. There's not much to it. They're pretty basic design. Looks pretty sleek. I do like this color. It's not, I guess this would be the closest to a black that you would get on a phone like this. But anyways, it's a pretty nice design. A lot of people don't like the back cameras. I think they're fine. I like this. It feels pretty heavy actually, which is a good thing because that means the battery's better. Batteries that are heavy, they charge better. They actually last longer. They're just overall better at the moment. Okay, with the technology that we have right now, batteries that weight more, it's a good thing, okay? You don't want something too light because they just don't last that long. So that's an iPhone 11 Pro right now. So that's it for this video. I hope you guys liked the unboxing. If you guys want to see the unboxing for all three, I do have that video. Or if you guys want to see just unboxing for this, obviously I have that video as well here and all put together so you guys can see everything that comes in the box in all these three. So once again, this is the 11 Pro, 11 Pro Max. So you guys can see them side by side. Now I'm gonna put them side by side but not on top of the boxes so you guys can see the size difference between them. So if you look at the size, this one's the 11 Pro, 11, and then 11 Pro Max. The 11 is right in between the two. That's interesting. So it's actually bigger than 11 Pro, but slightly smaller than 11 Pro Max. Now if we put them one beside the other, notice the cameras, same, different, okay? iPhone 11 only has 2 versus these guys that have 3. And again, just showing you how they look like and the color. That's what matters really, and why most people look at unboxings besides looking exactly what you're gonna get in the box. Anyways, that would be it for this video. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write them down here in the comments area. And don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.